No signal, no ground to defend. You build it just to break it, then build it up again. Two voices running like a split decision. One wants proof, one wants position. One says wait to find the terms. One says speak before you learn. Back and forth in the same damn head. One builds structure, one paints it red. One cuts clean with a measured line. One just wants to be right on time. Bias creeping through every thought. What you want isn't what you got. You filter facts through what you feel, then call the outcome something real. Hold up, stop, run it